We'll guide you through how to access ChatGPT for free if you're a student. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to OpenAI's official website. Once you're there, look for the ChatGPT section, which is usually featured prominently on the homepage. Click on it to enter the ChatGPT interface. Now, if this is your first visit, you'll need to create an account. You can do this by clicking on the sign up button. When signing up, use your school email address, as many educational institutions have partnerships with OpenAI that provide free access to students. After you've signed up or logged in, you'll likely see options for different tiers of access. Look for the free version of ChatGPT and select it. If your school email is recognized, you should automatically gain access. If prompted, verify your student status by following any additional instructions provided, such as confirming your email or linking through a school portal. Once access is granted, you can start using ChatGPT right away. You can type directly into the chat box to begin interacting with the AI. If you encounter any issues, check with your school's IT department to ensure they have the correct partnership with OpenAI. This process should enable you to use ChatGPT for free, making it a great tool for your studies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.